Wherever you may be right now, welcome to this year's Mobility Tech Update by Umovity, uniting Econolite and PTV Group. We are glad that you join us for this marvelous presentation of our latest technology highlights. The Mobility Tech Update marks a moment where we celebrate not only our technological innovations, but also our global user community. Because you, our users and partners who work each day to improve transportation and cities, are the true guardians of mobility. We all agree that your work is needed more than ever. As the global population continues to grow and societies become increasingly mobile, our cities become more crowded and congested by the day. Every day, we lose precious time in traffic and in the fight against climate change. Road transport alone counts for 15% of total CO2 emissions worldwide. And approximately 1.2 million people die each year as a result of road traffic crashes. Our cities are calling for optimization. The good news is we can tackle this together. We know it is not an easy job, and you need the right tools and superpowers to fight congestion, emission, and unsafe conditions. Therefore, it is our purpose as Umovity to empower you with advanced technologies to master mobility. Today, we will introduce you to the profound new developments that make our tech suite even smarter. We leverage data as a heartbeat of our technological progress, paving the way for smart infrastructure and mobility services and empowering you to transform analyzed potential into measurable results. And also, we combine data and AI to facilitate prediction, automation, personalization, and optimization of traffic planning and management. And in addition to that, we blend innovation with reliability to guarantee the most trustful and powerful products and services. Last but not least, we drive our cloud strategy and synergies forward to ensure scalability and seamless collaboration within our portfolio. Our mobility tech suite, uniquely combining software, hardware, and services, empowers you to orchestrate the mobility value chain holistically. To cover everything from strategic transportation modeling and planning, management and prediction, to on-site traffic infrastructure. With great power comes great responsibility and great mobility. As a global tech leader in mobility software and hardware, we acknowledge our power and responsibility. It drives us to shape the best solutions for you and the best mobility for humanity. Are you ready to learn more? Let's dive right into it, as every big movement starts with a first brave step.
Welcome to this year's Mobility Tech Update by Umovity. Empowering the guardians of mobility.
Thank you, Christian. While brave actions are necessary today, I assure you all that we've made a significant leap towards revolutionizing our technology. You've mentioned data and AI, and I agree with you that this combination will continue to shape transportation systems, in particular in areas such as predictive analytics of traffic flows. Today we are all talking about AI as a superpower, somewhere in between the Oracle of Delphi and the fortune tellers of the past. The ability to provide a better than average guess on what's going to happen. At Umovity, we see the power of data and AI in 4 key elements. Understanding the past and repeating patterns. Being able to observe the present, analyzing vast amounts of data. Delivering predictions with confidence, combining the experience of the past with the insights of the present and validating the ideas through the utilizations of models and simulations. Implementing guidance, decision support, and automation. This year's tech update delivers all those elements. As every hero needs a sidekick, the first tangible AI novelty that you will benefit as a user is our new AI-based support companion, integrated with the new versions of PTV Visum, Vissim, and Vistro. This smart conversational bot, which relies on PTV-generated content, is designed to answer even complex product-specific questions and can converse in multiple languages. AI also powers 2 main additions to our ATMS offering. Initially, adding PTV Flows to Econolite Centracs mobility provides visibility and situational awareness to the traffic management. Our expanded suite of priority options gives emergency vehicles the best possible route to where they are needed. Another big highlight this year is the launch of PTV Hub, the industry's first true cloud collaboration platform for modeling and simulation. PTV Hub will serve as the anchor for the data describing the environment in which your traffic operates, all the way from bike lanes in the inner city to the demographics determining the demand for school children's public transport. Moving forward, we will integrate and combine all the available data and models into the decision-making of traffic management through PTV Hub. PTV Hub is also an integral part of our concept of the dynamic multimodal network management, a groundbreaking system designed to revolutionize how cities plan, manage, and operate multimodal transportation networks. Our vision is to empower cities to seamlessly integrate public transport, walking, cycling, shared mobility services, and in the future, connected autonomous vehicles. This system supports cities and mobility organizations by providing real-time and historical data from multiple sources, giving them comprehensive situational awareness. With advanced tools for planning, disruption management, and congestion mitigation, we're equipping cities to respond swiftly and effectively to both planned and unexpected changes in mobility demand. Moreover, we're enabling a new era where planning and operations converge into a unified ecosystem. By leveraging operational data for better transport planning and applying advanced analytical techniques such as AI and model-based methodologies, we're driving a future where urban mobility is smarter, more responsive, and truly connected. The journey to our dynamic multimodal network management concept will also drive a transformation in the data utilization, representation, and user experience, like bringing the traffic control room into augmented reality. Let's dive even deeper into the new reality and the superpowers you gain with PTV Hub by sending it over to Adam.
Thanks, Mogens. No matter if you're working at your desk or with virtual glasses, let's take you up to the sky with our new cloud solution. I'm absolutely thrilled to present to you PTV Hub, a new centralized, cloud-based solution designed to facilitate seamless connectivity between PTV Hub desktop licenses and enrich them with even more easy-to-use cloud-based functionalities. PTV Hub offers your organization enhanced productivity and accessibility to PTV software, strong teamwork with users and stakeholders, and better collaboration with the public. PTV Hub is like a supercomputer because it acts like a central an intelligent nucleus that connects users and organizes your results and scenarios. Just like as Professor X unites and coordinates the X-Men, PTV Hub seamlessly integrates models and data from desktop into powerful workspaces. Additionally, Professor X coordinates the action of multiple individuals telepathically and in parallel, making certain that they work in harmony towards a common goal. Similarly, PTV Hub uses cloud computing to manage and process multiple scenarios and simulation runs simultaneously. This ensures all data and models are processed quickly, efficiently, and accurately. Let me highlight 3 groundbreaking features. First, PTV Hub is your centralized platform for seamless management and accessibility of your model's data and results. Gain immediate access to PTV Hub desktop licenses for PTV Visum, Vissim, Viswalk, and Vistro through our intuitive interface. Easily view license availability, status updates, and subscription details. Take control with robust user management and workspace features. This empowers you to manage license access and content distribution efficiently within your organization and your team of super friends. Next, let's take a look at PTV Hub's superhuman models and cloud computation capabilities. Upload your PTV models to the cloud and get organized. You have easy access to scenarios, previous revisions, and secure model sharing. PTV Hub harnesses cloud computing to offer on-demand computational resources. Tap into these powerful resources as needed to cut your infrastructure costs and to save time. Streamline resource-intensive tasks like processing multiple simulations and large procedure sets and boost productivity with PTV Hub. Finally, every superhero wants to amaze the public. You can gain the public's favor by creating customizable dashboards. These will energize your project deliverables. Use dashboards to craft visualizations, share key metrics, and animate data for your project stakeholders. Document feedback and collaborate effortlessly with built-in commenting and resolution features. And ultimately, share project details directly with citizens of your city to enhance your public involvement, decision-making, and collaboration. Collaboration, ease of use, precision, and fostering the decision-making process are the ultimate benefits of working with PTV Hub. And now, let's go to PTV Visum, a software that is designed to work perfectly with PTV Hub. Hey Miriam, what are the brand new highlights for all the modelers and transportation planners out there?
Thank you, Adam. Making the right decision is a critical asset. You know, every successful project starts with the right decision. And that's where PTV Visum truly shines. PTV Visum provides you with power to get a glimpse of the future of your transportation system, empowering you to virtually implement all the various projects springing from creativity and test how they would function to achieve your overall goals. By assessing different scenarios, PTV Visum serves as your guiding tool, helping decision makers navigate and shape the future they want to bring to life. And with the new release of PTV Visum 2025, we bring great new possibilities to steer traffic in the right direction and turn your vision into reality. The first of your pioneering highlights address our common goal, making mobility more sustainable. Thus, we are proud to partner with Emisia, the makers of the widespread corporate emission assessment tool, allowing the calculation of emissions from road transport directly in PTV Visum. Seamlessly assess decarbonization effects and air quality improvements of your transportation projects and scenarios without leaving the software. With Cobalt, this becomes possible for many additional countries, complementing the already existing functionalities. Now, from calculating emissions to the most sustainable motorized mode of transport, namely public transport. Does your current public transport network meet today's demand, and is it ready for the future? How would the optimal bus network look for the new town quarter? And what happens when a rail station closes for renewal? How should the feeder lines adapt? For all these questions, we developed the ultimate command, the new automated network design feature. It can automatically generate suitable public transport lines and suggest headways, taking network speeds, stop locations, and demand into account. It's a powerful tool designed to help to create smarter, more efficient public transport networks with ease. Yet, another powerful feature of PTV Visum lies in activity-based modeling. Modeling transportation demand at high resolution is crucial to evaluate complex phenomena like intramodality, active modes, or mobility on demand. Leverage PTV Visum's built-in ABM model to use the power of ABMs for answering your planning questions. With the latest extensions, the model can now reflect decisions about the timing of activities and trips, for example, to assess effects of the time-dependent tolls. To be more realistic, the ABM model now ensures that work destination choice meets the actual availability of working places. As you know, to have the full picture of your city, sometimes you need to have a close micro look at specific areas. Therefore, I'm handing over to Matthias, who tells you which innovations in microsimulation we bring to the streets.
Thank you, Miriam, for the insights on macro modeling and the close-up focus on what's next. So let's zoom in on PTV Vissim. Just like Ant-Man, with its supervision like a microscope, PTV Vissim empowers you to see and understand all the tiny details in your transport system and how they interact. The software gives users strong analytic capabilities to tweak all the options and analyze alternative scenarios on basis of meaningful KPI to come up with the best transportation designs, including optimal settings for signal control or ITS communication. Now, I'm thrilled to unveil our latest advancement. With PTV Vissim Automotive, we've just delivered a set of dedicated features to supercharge the workflow for virtual test and development in automotive engineering. Starting with the import of OpenDrive 1.8 networks over the auto-generation of traffic, routes and priority rules, up to easy driving behavior setup through powerful presets and more. PTV Vissim Automotive enables you to easily set up virtual test drives to develop more efficient powertrains or to validate your automated driving functions. But that's not all. Today, we're witnessing a revolution on the roads. More and more vehicles are equipped with smart automated driving functions. Using sensors and algorithmic control, they behave differently than human drivers. PTV Vissim now incorporates a dedicated driving behavior model for automated driving. It consists of an adaptive cruise control algorithm for longitudinal control and an automated lane change algorithm for lateral movement. These controls give your vehicle superhero reflexes, ready to respond with highest speed and highest precision to the actions of the other traffic participants. With PTV Vissim 2025, your modeling capabilities are unstoppable and faster than ever. We're redefining the way you model situations where the number of lanes increases or decreases. You can now directly connect the links with unequal number of lanes, and the graphical network editor allows for an intuitive selection of the specific merge or diverge situation. The result? More accurate representations of real-world traffic situations with less modeling effort. Those were just a few of Vissim's key novelties, and we will show you more details in the deep dive sessions. For now, let's spotlight another powerful tool in our lineup, PTV Vistro. And for that, let's quickly flash over to Ahmad.
Thank you, Matthias. Just like you hinted, PTV Vistro mirrors the Flash with its swift data entry, rapid response times, and seamless navigation, in traffic planning and with engineering workflows. While the Flash can traverse time to avoid disasters, Vistro optimizes traffic signals and adapts to various scenarios, shaping the future designs effortlessly. Both exemplify efficiency in transportation by combining speed and precision to meet complex planning needs effectively. As for even more usability, Vistro now displays stop bar and advanced detection locations in the network editor. These detectors' lengths and distances are imported into Visum and Vissim, precisely at their exact locations for clean model workflows. An equally new and the effective feature of Vistro is the improved traffic signal handling. Floating force-off settings now enable users to hone into detailed signal timings. Optionally, pedestrian signal group timings can now be set to exceed vehicle green timings, and users can compare pedestrian impacts in various timing configurations. This helps analyze and prioritize pedestrian safety. Importantly, max green is now a setting in patterns and is automatically calculated for signal groups, improving calculation and import-export consistency. Yet another step in development is the ability to show your turn paths on lanes and lane groups. This simplifies the modeling of complicated intersections while editing the lane configurations. Also, this visualization improves your understanding of the model and result, and boosts the quality of imports to PTV Visum and Vissim. Additionally, when looking at lane configurations and turns, PTV Vistro now links directly to Google Street View to quickly show the intersection details and do a field review from your desk. And speaking of lane configuration, it's time to pave the way for public transport planning. So, green light for PTV Lines. And on to you, Farnaz.
Thanks, Ahmad. And well, of course, we didn't stop adding new features to PTV Lines. Just as Black Panther combines Wakanda advanced technology with deep responsibility to his people, PTV Lines now combines powerful tools that enable accessibility, travel efficiency, and equity for everyone in your city. Additionally, just like Black Panther, the software's greatest strength lies in its elegant design and simplicity, making this powerful tool easy to use. We proved this with the new brand feature for conducting accessibility and catchment area analysis, which is like your vibranium suit for public transport planning. It ensures that all neighborhoods can have access to public transport. The analysis feature helps you to easily see how far everyone can travel, considering schedules. By adding population data or public services like schools, you can quickly determine how many seniors or schools have adequate access to the public transport. And just like Black Panther's precision, our connection analysis allows you to test different schedules and see how changes impact passengers' travel times across the entire network. This means that you can fine-tune connections, reduce travel and waiting times, and improve the overall passenger experience. And there is more. As Black Panther balances strengths with strategy, PTV Lines now helps you to balance demand and supply. By overlaying demand data with supply data, you can see how routes and lines passengers choose for their journey. You can analyze KPIs such as ridership or transfers along your network throughout the day that helps you to create routes and schedules matching actual passengers' needs. With this data, you can adjust frequencies and routes to reduce overcrowding and waiting times, optimizing your network to balance cost and efficiency. Finally, graphical export empowers you to transform public transport planning. Its intuitive design helps planners and operators present and communicate their ideas clearly to decision makers. They can then make decisions based on transparent data, and any changes to services can be communicated to passengers quickly and with minimum efforts. Thanks for joining the ride to the future of public transport planning with PTV Lines. At the next stop, my colleague Kishmala will show you how transport modeling and planning can be even faster and easier for you.
Thank you, Farnaz, and welcome everyone to a new era in urban and transport planning with PTV Model2Go. Think of it as the superhero sidekick to your planning toolkit. Just like Cyborg uses his advanced tech to streamline processes with precision and speed, Model2Go revolutionizes your workflow. Fed with essential data, routing maps, public transport data, and points of interest now at your fingertips, Model2Go transforms manual efforts for transport model building into a high-speed, fully automated system, ramping up efficiency and saving time. What started with the automated generation of supply models leads to auto-generation of macroscopic demand models, something we are currently working on, enabling users to move from slow, manual tasks to a faster, more automated reality. Here are 3 facts that make Model2Go your new superhero ally. Firstly, a multimodal Model2Go supply model is as versatile as a superhero's arsenal. It delivers an integrated, routable road and public transport network with the bonus of cycling infrastructure. The model auto-generates traffic zones and connectors for all modes, packing in spatial data like population and work locations. This means you can dive straight into basic transport analysis or use the Model2Go framework as your launchpad for more complex modeling. Another fact is, not all heroes wear capes and not all data is publicly available, but Model2Go adapts and allows the integration of customer data which can be fed into the model if required. Upon the provision of custom data, including spatial population and workplace data, Model2Go automatically intersects those with the generated transport zone system and provides customers with a customized supply model. And now the third and ultimate highlight, Model2Go demand. Every day we generate travel demand as we move from home to work and beyond. Capturing the demand is like catching lightning in a bottle. Surveys can be costly and incomplete. But with Model2Go, we use movement data from navigation devices and apps thanks to our partner TomTom. This global data, while still a sample, is rapidly available and can be integrated into your Model2Go supply model, giving you a powerful edge in traffic planning. With PTV Model2Go, you are not just keeping up with the future of urban planning, you are leading it. And now let me lead you from Model2Go to the brand new product in our data family, PTV Access. Data is the superhero's secret weapon. Just as Batman uses data surveillance and intelligence to defend Gotham City, we harness the power of data to transform urban and transportation planning. Understanding the importance of data in our world, we introduced PTV Access, our new mobility data platform. PTV Access helps you to understand mobility trends, identify gaps to ensure equal access to vital destinations for all citizens, and evaluate locations by correlating accessibility data with market potential from a business perspective. Let me give you an outline of some of PTV Access' remarkable highlights. The PTV Accessibility Score makes you the hero of location assessment. By providing you with calculated travel times for all relevant modes of transport like walking, cycling, public transport, or car from a location to key everyday facilities, such as supermarkets, schools, restaurants, and many more. The value behind it? The synthesized, easy-to-understand accessibility scores can be easily integrated, for example, into your real estate platform. With the superpower of Traffic Volume API, you can see where and how many people are traveling. PTV Access provides you with consistent, model-based car and truck traffic volumes, valuable for location analysis and assessments, environmental analysis such as noise or emissions mapping, and many more. Have you ever wondered how many people live near your location? How much buying power they have combined? The PTV Isochrones API provides you with detailed travel times to your location for all relevant modes of transport, enabling you to intersect the travel times with various structural geodata in one go. This will boost your search to find the best location. Now let's switch to yet another location, a place where traffic is being monitored and steered. So Lorenzo, tell us more about PTV's solution for real-time traffic management.
Thanks, Kishmala, and welcome to the sphere of holistic consciousness that the real-time mobility management system, PTV Optima, provides. Just like Daredevil's perception goes beyond the capability of other humans, PTV Optima, given its full awareness of the surrounding situation, can forecast the future and predict the impact of each action the traffic control center desires to implement. The new updates available in the latest version of PTV Optima provide a set of new features that help to improve travel times and sustainability factors. Without dedication toward environment-sensitive traffic management, PTV Optima now integrates air quality sensor data and traffic emission and dispersion estimates. Thanks to the traffic simulation, traffic operator can then evaluate intervening measures to, for example, limit daily traffic emissions or prevent these to exceed thresholds. In addition to that, within the system holistic consciousness, our solution is capable of managing multimodal network. Thus, PTV Optima shows traffic operators the public transport vehicle position and delays. Combined with traffic forecast, it predicts how the public transport level of service will evolve due to the surrounding and upcoming traffic condition. Also, the tool will automatically align with every continuous publication of new public transport daily schedule. In parallel to making PTV Optima better, we put a lot of effort to empower traffic operator to master time and shape the future with lightweighted traffic management solution. And you know, not all superheroes fly. Some just let it flow. PTV Flows, similarly to the Marvel Universe's Time Stone, grants traffic operators control over time, analyzing historical data, predicting future trends, and ensuring smoother monitoring. With the latest updates, PTV Flows provide historical data analysis, allowing users to easily replay past situations in the map and retrieve previous key performance indicator values for in-depth analysis and reporting. By leveraging this feature, traffic operators can gain insight into traffic patterns, identify trends, and make informed decisions for the future. Additionally, PTV Flows is now also able to spot unusual traffic situations and send alerts. By detecting unexpected travel time variation based on the past occurrences, PTV Flows helps cities and road authorities to respond swiftly to anomalies, ensuring smoother journey for commuters. And finally, PTV Flows integrates seamlessly with Econolite Centracs mobility, enhancing traffic control efficiency, improving travel times, and ensuring safer traffic flow. From PTV's powerful real-time traffic management solution, let's bridge over to David, who can share with us more news on advanced transport management solution that Econolite has to offer.
Thank you, Lorenzo. Since 2009, Centracs Mobility has led the industry in providing the leading ATMS solution to over 420 customers across North America, safely controlling and optimizing more than 60,000 signalized intersections with advanced features, including signal performance measures, pattern optimizer, and adaptive control. Centracs Mobility empowers agencies to keep pace with their day-to-day operational demands, as well as the emerging connected vehicle environment, to ensure the highest levels of safety, system reliability, and optimized mobility, even seeing into the future. Let me explain how these elements and capabilities are unified in our Centracs Priority solution. Using big data and artificial intelligence, Centracs Priority dynamically creates routes and adjusts signal timing to increase safety and decrease response times for emergency vehicles with 3 leading-edge tools. 1. CAD AVL integration, 2. Dynamic routing based on destination, and 3. Point-to-point dynamic routing. Now let's speak to our predictive capabilities available with the integration of PTV Flows. The recent integration of PTV Flows with the Centracs mobility platform provides dramatically increased situational awareness for agencies without the need for expensive infrastructure. The Centracs mobility Flows integration leverages both advanced AI and floating car data to provide predictions of traffic conditions up to an hour in advance so that agencies can mitigate congestion and safety risks before they happen. We call this traffic proactive, addressing issues before they become issues. Now let's discuss how Umovity is empowering entire regions in addition to individual jurisdictions. With the multi-jurisdictional capabilities of Centracs Mobility, even more power is given to you, enabling multiple agencies to view each other's signals, share access and operations as agreed upon, and optimize transportation management across jurisdictions. This empowers individual agencies into a collective and complete regional transportation solution. It really is the creation of the Transportation Avengers, enabling a group of transportation superheroes to work cohesively together. But we didn't stop there. By uniting the power of Econolite and PTV, we can now also provide the connection of Centracs Mobility with virtual EOS and PTV Visum. This means our customers can leverage the planning, simulation, and operations capabilities to create simulations within PTV Vissim that communicate with Econolite's virtual EOS controllers and connect to our optimization tools within the Centracs Mobility Cloud. This powerful connection provides end-to-end visibility and control for our users to plan, analyze, and optimize the roadways as part of dynamic multimodal network management. For more about how Econolite is providing the power of situational awareness and data-driven solutions, I'll send it over to Sunny.
Thank you, David. You mentioned situational awareness. Indeed, Econolite leverages decades of expertise in above-ground detection to provide technologically advanced sensor solutions that ensure unmatched accuracy, reliability, and performance to provide real-time situational awareness information for a variety of ITS applications. Much like Superman's X-ray vision, our super powerful detection solutions look deeper and provide rich data and actionable information right on time to help agencies ease traffic congestion and improve travel times while ensuring safety for all roadway users. Evo Radar, our best-in-class radar detection solution, continues to establish itself as the premier sensor solution for the future. With unmatched range, accuracy, ease of use, robust all-weather performance, and the super ability to cover all 4 or even more approaches at a typical intersection with just 2 sensors, Evo Radar continues to push the boundaries by providing data-rich situational and trajectory information needed for a plethora of advanced ITS applications. This year, we added innovative new features to the product, including an advanced motion filter for persistent object detection and removal in presence zones based on the direction of motion, capability to record from the Evo Hub, enhancements to the REST API, and GPS time accuracy. The Evo Radar sensor itself is now designed and certified for shock protection in adherence to the IEC N 61000-4 and 61000-5 standards, which guarantees even higher levels of resilience and reliability for the sensor in the field. Looking ahead, we are getting close to launching the next generation of the Evo Hub, which would be similar in size to an MMU, with 4 sensor port connections on the front and 4 on the back, 8 in total, and an LCD touchscreen display with a graphical UI. We are also working on a PIO interface device that would provide 60 hard outputs and make the Evo Radar product even more suitable for use in the European and Asian markets. Finally, we also plan to launch a next-generation radar sensor in the coming months, which will come with an integrated video camera intended for visual validation. With the Evo radar continuing to make strides, let's now talk about our very stable and successful video detection product, Autoscope Vision. This year, we added enhancements to Vision to address nighttime headlight road glare issues, improve sensor loading performance in Supervisor, and introduced new user-configurable settings for low visibility contrast loss protection. We are also getting close to launching the next generation of our video detection solution, which will come with an advanced sensor as well as brand new AI and deep learning-based object detection algorithms. Both of our detection solutions, Evo Radar and Autoscope Vision, offer additional cloud-based data analytics and reporting capabilities through Centracs Plus Detect. Based on the data from the sensors, Plus Detect provides key metrics and signal performance measures, including volume occupancy speed, turning movement counts, roadway object classifications, arrivals on green or red, and red light runners. These key metrics provide deep insights and superpowers to users and open up new realms of capabilities for traffic management and control. Now, speaking of control, let's talk about controllers. Econolite's portfolio of advanced traffic signal controllers is built to provide the highest levels of power, performance, flexibility, and ease of use. We are on the verge of releasing a couple of major hardware upgrades to our controllers. For our flagship Cobalt controllers, the next generation of the advanced graphics card will include a blazing fast processor and an order of magnitude increase in specs and performance, providing a tablet-like experience on the graphical UI and the capability to stream HD videos seamlessly. We will also launch the next generation engine board powering both the Cobalt and Linux-based 2070 controllers, which will provide a very significant boost to the specs and performance of these controllers. Together, these hardware upgrades will bring your controllers the next level of processing superpower and performance. EOS, our powerful and easy-to-use controller software, is now deployed at 20,000 intersections. This year, we added significant enhancements to EOS in connected and automated vehicle support, including higher levels of functionality and configurability for signal phase and timing, and support for J2735-based signal request messages and signal status messages. To help you keep your traffic operations efficient and roadway users safe, we continued adding features like local adaptive split optimization and specific preemption enhancements aimed at improving the coordination between the traffic signals and the railroad crossing operations. We also added a variety of cybersecurity enhancements, including the ability to manage security credentials and settings remotely. As mentioned before, a significant milestone achieved this year was the integration of EOS with PTV Visum. With this integration, the powerful features of EOS can now be precisely mapped and verified in PTV Visum, allowing users to evaluate and optimize the performance of the transportation infrastructure virtually before applying any changes in the field. With all of these features and innovations, we are making a great set of products even greater. Now, isn't there even more going on with our armor-like intelligent safety capabilities and innovations with traffic cabinets? Ryan?
Thank you, Sunny. Indeed, our cabinets are a lot like Captain America's shield. Econolite's traffic cabinets are built tough and reliable to ensure safe and efficient operations throughout the city for generations. For smarter, safer, and greener intersection operations, Econolite's family of intelligent traffic cabinets delivers the very best design and configurations throughout the ATCC, NEMA, and SafeTran product lines. We provide the industry's widest variety of cabinet options with the quickest delivery times. In fact, many of these features can be found in our Blue Series, ready-to-ship, standard configured cabinets. The reliability of our cabinets is assured by rigorous testing, not only performed by highly trained technicians, but also tested through state-of-the-art testing that ensures every wire in that cabinet is landed where it needs to be landed, and every function of the cabinet will work each time it is called to do so. With certifications like the NEMA 3R, UL 508, and the IPC 610, and countless customer approvals, the quality and ruggedness of our traffic cabinets cannot be outdone, just like the agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Econolite's ATC Intelligent Traffic Cabinet design is based on the most popular features of SafeTrans, NEMAs, and ITS cabinets. The ATCC uses high-speed serial communications, providing modern features, advanced diagnostics, enhanced safety, and simplified wiring. Engineered to support alternative power sources, the ATCC standard supports both 120V AC and 48-volt DC signal heads. Econolite has supported customers like Puerto Rico, who have over 40 cabinets in operation utilizing the power of the sun to energize intersections throughout their community, where utility power is not readily reliable. With power options available to ATC users, intersections can be even more efficient, providing longer run times with less solar panels. Our commitment to innovation, listening to our customers, and helping drive industry standards for traffic cabinets has not only made our roadways more efficient and safer, it has also helped us push technological capabilities and strategies for tomorrow's data-driven smart city and AI applications that we are seeing become a reality. Whether using solar power or providing a backup to your utility in the event of a power outage, the battery backup system plays a critical role in keeping cities and roadways safe. To make BBS operations even more efficient and intelligent, ZincBlue is now integrated with Centracs ATMS. This integration provides system monitoring, control, configuration management, and report generation as part of an interactive user dashboard. Leveraging the UPS entity within Centracs, users can quickly set up their ZincBlue systems by entering the unique IP address of each unit. The Centracs GUI is very intuitive and easy to use and navigate. You can quickly see system status on a scalable map and then click on each unit location to pull up the system details. In addition, you can then set up specific triggers according to the operational parameters, including power failures and restoration. All of this is to make sure that the power is always with you. And with that, I'll send it back to Christian.
Thank you, Ryan, and thanks to all our presenters. As you can see, the Umovity team has brought together all the superpower and innovation you need to optimize mobility for humanity. To bring you even closer to our new developments, we will again provide you with lots of additional in-depth sessions and online exchanges with Umovity experts for every product. We want to empower you with the best technology because what you do with it, with all your diverse skills, is crucial for our cities and the planet. For sustainable global growth, safe and livable environments, as well as social development and equality now and in the future. Because in an increasingly interconnected world, the impact of mobility will grow. In the end, it's not the assets or technology itself that counts, it's the value you create, the problems you solve, and the positive impact you make. I believe that we are most powerful if we unite expertise with the right tools and a genuine desire to create positive change. And this is what drives us to continuously empower you in the best possible way. Therefore, let's assemble and create positive change together.